Okay, tayo didako na po sa ating third quarter. Official score 27-19 favor of the Ateneo. Okay, third quarter. Let's go. Oh, steal. Ning Ateneo. Lose. Number 93, too strong. Basket for number 93. Oh, traveling daw ang itinawag. Or Isagon. Okay, back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Number 90. Uy, what a cut! Too strong nga lang rebound ng San Beda. Let's go! Isagon, what a pass! For Chan. Number 88, pass to Luz. What a cut! Give and go! At naipasok ng Ateneo. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Isagon. Sabi niya, hindi pwede yan. Kailangan natin pumuntos at makabawi. Ayun na, Ateneo na naman. Nagmamadali. Uy, wala. Uy, 360 pass. Isagon out the pass. Chan all the way. Basket. 25-31. Baba sa 6 ang lamang ng Ateneo. Ayun na. Number 88. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 88. Uy, natapigan. Number 93. Naisagot ng Ateneo. Isago naman ang babawi. Wala extra pass. Wala rebound. Makuha ng Ateneo. Ayun na, Ateneo, nagmamadali na naman. Binigay sa corner. To lose. But there's a foul. Number 88. Pinas sa corner. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Here comes Isagon. Alley-oop daw. Short. Rebound. Ateneo. Makuha ni number 21. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Isagon. Isagon. Up and under. In and out. Sayang. 2 shots for Andre Isagon. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 47 seconds. First shot for Isagon. Wala. Second shot is good. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Loose. Up and under. Basket. Let's go, San Beda. Here comes Andre. There's a foul by Buenafe. That's a blocking foul. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola rito ang ating San Beda. Isagon setting on the play. Pass to Chan, top of the key for 3, no good, rebound. Pass to Chan, to Isagon. Isagon, what an extra pass, Chan, basket is good. 28-35. Babasa pito ang lamang ng Ateneo. Ayan na. Running shot. Wala. Rebound ng... Uy, last touch. Red ball. San Beda basketball. Remaining time, 3 minutes. Or almost 4 minutes left. Let's go, San Beda. Chan. I-discarte. Chan. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Isagon will recover. Isagon. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Buenafe. Outlet pass. Napalakas nga lang. Good defense for San Beda. Substitution. Adam coming in for San Beda. Oh, sorry, that's 36. Chan. Munti ka na magawa ni Buenafe. Basang-basa niya yun. Let's go. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Chan. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino gets the contact. May foul. By jersey number 87. Chan. Chan, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 96. Kick out. Bounce pass, number 99. Pass to Buenafe. Buenafe. Kick out for 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng San Beda. Pass to Isagon. Isagon nagmamadali. Isagon dire-diretso. Walang foul ang itinawa. Good. Ateneo. Pass to number 87. Spin move. Uy! Nahilo. Si Spirit doon. Bola rito ng San Beda. Chan. Setting on the play. Pass to Andre. Isagon spin move. Gets the foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. 2 shots for Andre Isagon. 1 minute and 3 seconds ng ating third period. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Pass number 99. Jump shot is good. 37-28. Isagon. Oh, steal. There comes Buenafe. Uy! Walang tawag ang ating referee. Oopsie. Remaining time, last 24 seconds. Let's go, San Beda. Official score at 29-37. Let's go. Substitution. Adam coming in. Lanot. Running shot. Whoa! Basket count and one. Defense. Nakalusot ang Ateneo. Bonus shot for Lanot. Last 15 seconds. Lanot. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Lanot na naman. Let's go. Last 9 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Tira. Oh. And that's the end of our third period. The official score 41-29 in favor of the Ateneo. Let's go. Ay, dadawan na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Mahaba-haba pa to, guys. Let's go at San Beda. Fourth quarter. Oh, steal ng ating San Beda. Let's go, Zapra. Bad pass. Steal ng Ateneo. Number 91. Del Mundo for 3. Ooh. 3 points dito ang Ateneo. Let's go, San Beda. Sean. Sayo na yan. Wala. Rebound. Block by Torio. Ay na ang Ateneo. Del Mundo. Sidestep. Binigay. Catch and shoot. Miss. Rebound by Adam. Let's go, Zapra. Zapra. Naitawid. Steal by Del Mundo. Del Mundo. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Chan, let's go! Chan, all the way. Basket for Chan. 44-31. Outlet pass. Para extra pass. Uy, walang travel. Grabe naman yun. Basket for Torio. Anong tawag ating referee doon? Pass to Chan. Let's go, Chan. Chan, crossover. Na iwanan. Chan. Pinagay sa corner. Jump shot. No good. Same ball. Seven minutes and 20 seconds. Gets the three. No good. Rebound. Isagon miss. Ay na, nagagawa. Makuha natin. Neo. Out of bound. San Beda basketball. Let's go. Isagon. Setting on the play. Isagon, stop and pump. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Pass to Torio. Torio. Ligay, double zero. Too strong. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 38. To Isagon. Outlet pass to Chan. Nabitawan lang. Okay lang yan. Let's go, Bauer. Six minutes and 12 seconds left. Number 85. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Zapra. Pass to Isagon. Isagon. Pass to Chan. Libre si Chan. Grabe ang mindset. Ang court vision ni Andre Isagon. Finding the open man na si Chan. Time out dito ang Ateneo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Shoutout po, Sir Anthony Cruz. Sorry, ngayon ko lang nabasa ang yung message. Shoutout, boss. Sir Anthony Cruz of Lasal, Green Hills, and the team of Mandaluyong. And congratulations, Team Mandaluyong, to get the second place. Sayang nga lang, nabigo tayo nung championship game kahapon. Well, a good experience para sa palarong pambansa 2026 Elementary Division. Team Mandaluyong, congrats! Good game pa rin na pinakita ng championship kahapon. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go! Bola rito ng Ateneo. Out of bounds. Isagon. Pass to Tolentino. To Chan. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 85. Floater miss. Rebound by number 21. Ayan ang San Beda. Chan. Uy, good. Number 90. Luis Tutorio, cut and shoot, using the glass and score. Ang laki ni Torio dun eh. Ayan na, Isagon, nagmamadali. Gustong makabawi. Let's go. Pass to Chan. Setting on the screen. Chan. Spin move. Using the board. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 97. And up to 85. Gets the 3. Wala. May save ni Luz. Torio will recover. Pass to Luz. Spin. Luz. Take shot. No. Rebound ng San Beda. Tumatakbo si Isagon. Isagon. No good. Torio, kick out for 3. Whoa! 3 points ba? 2 points lang daw, sabi natin official. Isagon. Sidestep, short, rebound. May save. Isagon, basket. Timeout. Ateneo. Official score 50-35 in favor of the Ateneo. The time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Ayun na, nagagawan. Makuha ni Isagon. Isagon ang mamadali. Derecho. Gets the foul. Last 2 minutes left para sa ating 4th quarter. Tolentino shooting for 2. First shot is good for Tolentino. Dirk. Oh, sorry, that's Apollo. Apollo Tolentino. Basket, 2 for 2. Oy! Makuba, steal! Isagon. Di magpapatalo yan si Andre Isagon. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. What a smart move by the big man. Finding open man. That is Chan. Another steal. Isagon gets the contact. My gosh. Wow, lang itinawag ang ating referee. 2 shot for Andre Isagon. Time out. Ateneo. Official score 50-39 in favor of the Ateneo. Tingnan natin ang ating team. Two shots for Andre Isagon. Oopsie. Second shot. Let's go, Andre. Basket. Baba na lamang sa 10. Let's go, defense! Defense! Ayan na, number 99 to number 88. Finding open man. Nalusot ang Ateneo. Grabe, ang pasahan. Wala ng dribble. Isagon na naman. Uy, basket count. And one for Andre Isagon. Post to post for Andre. Last 1 minute left. 59 seconds remaining. 52-42. Sean, no! Ayan na, down by single digit. 52-44. Huli! Uy, walang tawag. Number 88, inubos ang oras. Binigay sa corner. Gets that shot. No! Rebound, Ateneo. Bounce pass, para extra pass. Uy! Number 85. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Last 32 seconds left. Timeout. San Beda. Last 32 seconds. Tolentino for 3, no good. Last 20 seconds left. That's a double dribble. Last 15 seconds. Timeout pa. Let's go. Ay. Two shots for Chan. First shot is good. Remaining time, last 12 seconds. Wala. Gets the three. No good. Last 4 seconds. Four, three. Uy, meron pa. Last 2 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a good game from both teams. Our final score of 52-45. Panalo po ang Ateneo, and nice game para sa San Beda Rizal. Alright, maraming po salamat sa inyong panonood, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Hanggang sa muli. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.